Aircraft are among the most fascinating machines ever invented, capable of executing amazing acrobatics in the sky. These incredible maneuvers are possible due to the aircraft's ability to rotate about 3 axes in 3-dimensional space. In this video, we will understand different axes of aircraft and its movement about 3 axes. Hi, welcome to my channel gk4success, highly useful for all types of competitive examinations and next generation students. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Let us start. Let us imagine 3 lines mutually intersecting at right angles at the aircraft's center of gravity. In aviation, these are known as the longitudinal axis, lateral axis and the vertical axis. Let us first briefly understand the 3 primary control surfaces of an aircraft. These are ailerons for roll control, elevators for pitch control and rudder for yaw control. These control surfaces are deflected by pilot to generate different motions of the aircraft about 3 axes. The longitudinal axis is running from the tail to the nose through center of gravity. Longitudinal axis is also known as x-axis or roll axis. Motion of aircraft around the longitudinal axis is called rolling motion or roll. A rolling motion is an up and down movement of the wingtips of the aircraft. The rolling motion is positive if the starboard wings goes down. Ailerons hinged at the rear portion of main wings are deflected differentially to generate rolling motion. The lateral axis is running from one wingtip to other wingtip through center of gravity. It is also known as y-axis or pitch axis. The motion of aircraft around the lateral axis is called pitching motion or pitch. A pitching motion is an up and down movement of the nose of the aircraft. The pitching motion is positive if the nose of the aircraft goes up. Elevators hinged at the rear portion of horizontal tail are deflected to generate pitching motion. The normal axis is perpendicular to the plane of the wings with its origin at the center of gravity and directed towards the bottom of the aircraft. The normal axis is mutually perpendicular to longitudinal axis and lateral axis. The motion of aircraft around the normal axis is called yawing motion or yaw. A yawing motion is a movement of the nose of the aircraft from left side to right side and vice versa. The yawing motion is positive if the nose of the aircraft goes towards the starboard wing. A rudder hinged at the rear portion of vertical tail is deflected to generate yawing motion. 3 views of aircraft are shown here: the side view, the front view and the top view, indicating different axis system. The summary of the motion of aircraft about these 3 axes is shown here. An aircraft has 3 primary control surfaces: the ailerons, the elevator and the rudder. These control surfaces are deflected by pilot sitting in the cockpit. The pilot uses the control stick called yoke to control the motion of the aircraft in pitch and roll, and by pressing the rudder pedal by his foot to control the motion of aircraft in yaw. Please watch my detailed video on how these control surfaces are used to generate different motion about 3 axes. Now you can take the following very interesting related quiz. Please like the video, subscribe, share and press the bell for further notification.